So welcome students. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको दो सब पार्ट है. So you're given three simultaneous linear equations in x, y, z, and you're asked to solve these equations using matrix methods. So matrix methods में आपको there are broadly two methods. One is Cramer's rule. The second is Martin's rule. So these are the broad methods that we use to solve simultaneous equations using matrix methods. So first सब पार्ट को मैं Cramer's rule से करता हूँ, second सब पार्ट को मैं Martin's rule से करता हूँ. So first let us solve the first matrix, first set of equations. So what is the matrix form of these equations? 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4 times xyz is equal to 8 4 0. So using Cramer's rule, the formula for xyz is x is equal to delta 1 by delta, y is equal to delta 2 by delta, and z is equal to delta 3 by delta. So these are the formulas if you are going to solve the linear equations using Cramer's rule. So what is delta? Delta is the determinant of the original coefficient matrix. Delta 1 is the determinant of the coefficient matrix by interchanging the first column with the constant matrix. Delta 2 में आप second column को constant matrix से replace करते हैं. Delta 3 में आप third column को constant matrix से आप replace करते हैं. So first let us find delta. Delta is equal to determinant of this matrix. So 2 into minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 1 into 4 minus 3 1 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 6 minus 7, that is equal to minus 18 minus 21 minus 21 minus 18 plus 1 minus 18 minus 21 plus 1, that is equal to minus 21 minus 31 minus 39 plus 1 minus 38. So that's the delta. So इसके बाद delta 1 क्या है? Delta 1 is nothing but the determinant of 840. फर्स्ट कॉलम को आप कांस्टेंट मैट्रिक्स से रिप्लेस कर लीजिए. minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4, that is equal to 8 times minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 1 times minus 16 plus 3 times 4, that is equal to minus 72 minus 16 plus 12, that is equal to minus 76. इसके बाद delta 2 is nothing but we have to replace the second column by constant matrix. So 2 minus 1 3 8 4 0 3 1 minus 4, that is equal to 2 times minus 16 minus 8 times 1 plus 3 times minus 12, that is equal to minus 32 minus 36 minus 8 minus 32 minus 8 minus 36, that is equal to again minus 76. इसके बाद delta 3 is nothing but determinant of 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 and 8 4 0, that is equal to 2 times minus 4 plus 1 times minus 12 plus 8 times minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 12 minus 56, that is equal to again minus 76. So आप delta 1 delta 2 delta 3 find कर लिया. Simple as x is equal to delta 1 by delta, which is 2, y is also equal to 2, z is also equal to 2. So these are the values of my xyz. So I have solved this simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. So let us go to the next question. इस क्वेश्चन में हम सेम कॉन्सेप्ट तो सेम है. सो लेट अस यूज मार्टिन्स रूल. सो मार्टिन्स रूल में हम क्या करते हैं, विल फाइंड A inverse and multiply both sides with A inverse. So 1 1 1 2 5 7 2 1 minus 1 into x y z is equal to 9 52 and 0. So this is of the form ax is equal to b. So to solve this equation, what I do is I'll find A inverse and multiply both sides with A inverse. So A inverse कैसे find करेंगे? So A inverse can be found in 4 steps. First minus matrix निकालता हूँ, इसके बाद वहां से cofactors matrix निकालना पड़ेगा. From cofactors matrix I'll find adjoint of A and A inverse is adjoint A by det A. These are the 4 steps that we have. So first minus matrix, minor का matrix. So 1 के लिए minus 5 minus 7 minus 12, this minus 2 minus 14. Minus 2 minus 14 minus 16, 2 minus 10 minus 8, इसका minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 1, so minus 1, 7 minus 5 is 2, 5 3. So I hope you have studied how to find the minors. Minor is nothing but the determinant of the submatrix after removing the row and column corresponding to any particular element. मान लीजिए minor of 5 चाहिए, so आप 5 का row and column को eliminate करके remaining submatrix का determinant निकालना पड़ेगा. minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So this is how I find minors. इसके बाद cofactors find करेंगे. So cofactors में क्या करना है, I just need to cancel this out. I have to change the sign of the remaining numbers. So minus 12 minus 3 plus 3 minus 8 plus 2. 5 एलिमेंट्स का साइन वैसे रखता हूं, बाकी सारे एलिमेंट्स का साइन रिवर्स करता हूं. 16 2 1 and minus 5 is the cofactors matrix. And then what is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is nothing but the transpose of cofactors matrix. इसका transpose करेंगे, which is minus 12 16 minus 8 2 minus 3 1 2 minus 5 and 3. This is adjoint of A. And what is A inverse? A inverse is adjoint of A by det A. So what is det A? Det is nothing but the multiplication of any row with the corresponding cofactors matrix. So minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 plus 16. So आपका det 4 हो जाएगा. minus 12 plus 16 minus 8 minus 20 plus 16. So det A is 4. So 1/4 of minus 12 to 2 16 minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 1 and 3. So this is my A inverse. So what does Martin's rule say? Martin's rule says that x is equal to A inverse into B. X is equal to A inverse into B. So मतलब A inverse को B से multiply किया तो आपको x y z आ जाएगा. So let us find A inverse into B is equal to, so इसको आप 9 52 and 0 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. So you get 1/4 of minus 12 into 9 minus 108 plus 104 minus 108 plus 104, so minus 4. 16 nines are 160 144 minus 156. 144 minus 156 is minus 12 and minus 72 plus 52 is minus 20. That is equal to 1/4 से multiply कर लीजिए, get minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. So these are the values of x, y and z. So x is minus 1, y is minus 3 and z is minus 5. So कहा कुछ माइनस गलती किया था क्या कहीं? Just look at what is the determinant? Determinant is it plus 4 or minus 4? So determinant is minus 4, sorry. So ये minus 4 है, ये minus 4 है. So you get 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 5 as the answers. So the values of x, y, z are 1, 3 and 5. So again let us look at this question carefully. You're asked to solve simultaneous equations using matrix rules, matrix methods. So there are broadly two methods. One is Cramer's rule and one is Martin's rule. So first question को मैं Cramer's rule से solve किया, second question को मैं Martin's rule से solve किया. Cramer's rule में is a formula based method. X is delta 1 by delta, delta 2 by delta and delta 3 by delta. सारे values calculate करके got the answers. In Martin's rule, it's a more conceptual method. If Ax is equal to B is a matrix equation, X is given by A inverse into B. इस मेथड में आप A inverse कैलकुलेट करना है. So first minus matrix, वहां से cofactors matrix, वहां से adjoint A by delta to that A inverse, and I have multiplied it with B to get the answer. Thank you.